scrape up the most you can. Here comes...
I'll see you, tenner. Raise your 20.
Now you're just bluffing.
I'm out.
Oh, well, what is it? Just money.
Yeah, deal me out. I fall too, Steve.
Bombs today.
Hey, gang, look a hook. He's got another bond. Well, thrifty Throckmorton. Waste not, want not.
Okay, you can laugh, fellas, but I got post-war plans.
Brother. Hey, Hook, what's your post-war plans?
You want to know, huh? Well, when those whistles start blowing... Sure, because there's something that's first on my list. Oh, wrong suit. Ha, ha.
Now I'll show you the back.
Next comes the girlfriend. It's Hook. Yeah.
Hooky! Darling! When can I see you?
Well, don't just stand there, honey. Hang up the phone. Choo-choo, will you marry me? Then comes a home.
And it's just a stone's throw from the station.
A stone's throw, huh? Next comes the furniture.
Is it comfortable, Hooky dear?
Oh, brother! It's okay, but that's out. Then we'll be ready for the big day. I do. Boy, oh boy, I'll be all set. And soon there'll be little ones running around the house. But this takes dough, huh?
We got post-war plans, too. Yeah!
Penny bonds today. We'll be blessed if we all invest in the USA. Scrape up the most you can. Here come the freedom men. Come along and buy a share of freedom today.